question can place flowers. So if there is a 1 in this array, it represents there's a flower in that place. And those two flowers are adjacent. So we are just trying to find out, oh, if we find a place is 0, whether it's left and right is also 0. If that is true, which means we can plant one flower there. So this question can be easily solved by doing the simulation, but just trying to cover the edge case. For example, what if the first two items are 0 and 0? In that case, we can actually use like the first place to plant the first flowers. That can save up little space. So we are going to adding a leading 0 and an ending 0 to cover this edge case, just to make the condition easier. So to make that happen, first of all, we can easily to change this flower bed to a DQ, which means we can use O1 time to make the flower bed with a leading 0, and also is O1 time to append a 0 in the end. So we are not going through every item. So we are going starting from the first one, and we are skipping the last one. So we can do this indexing. If the flower bed item, this one is equal to 0, which means it's possible to plant a flower. So if flower bed I minus 1 is also 0, and flower bed I plus 1 is also 0, which means we are able to plant a flower here. And also, just to make sure we count everything, so we can have a count plus 1 here. And if this count is larger or equal to n, we can do a short circuit, so return true here. And return the count was larger or equal to n as a result. So we can see this is ON time complexity and O1 space complexity solution.